Iginiit ng isang industry expert na hindi direktang magkalaban ang Airbnb at mga hotel pagdating sa hospitality market. Sa ginanap na News at News Media Forum ng Pampanga Press Club sa Park-In by Radisson Clark, sinabi ni Michael Francis Nabong, founder at managing director ng Hospitality Solutions PH, na may kanya-kanyang target market ang dalawang accommodation options. Ayon kay Nabong, mas kilala ang Airbnb sa pagiging affordable at flexible, kaya patok ito sa budget travelers at long stays.
The price is one thing. The aesthetics, the convenience also. Kasi Airbnb, very convenient for travelers because a traveler will not stay long in for example, you stay, no? You would go out. So the rest of the hours, you would not really be in the property. So somehow, it affects also the pricing. It also affects buying pattern because you're going outside, you're not spending dun sa mismong Airbnb, right? Just only the accommodation. There's no F&B side. But unlike with properties where you have F&B, other services, you stay, even if you go out, you still go back, you can spend on other areas. So that is where more or less it affects. The pricing affects it, yung because of a lot of the Airbnbs. Siyempre, it affects the market segments of other properties also. So instead of you staying in a, let's say, well-known hotel, but because you're on a budget, you are more or less keen on getting an Airbnb instead. Parang ganun.
Samantala, ang mga hotel ay nakatuon sa pagbibigay ng quality service at full guest experience. Dagdag pa niya, lamang ang hotel sa aspeto ng convenience at reliability. Mayroong 24/7 front desk, housekeeping, security at standardized services na nagbibigay ng peace of mind sa mga bisita.
No, we don't consider them as direct competitors because they have their own market. And specific for each hotels, they have their own market segments. Like for example, in Clark, their market segments would primarily be corporate, merong mga government groups, but these Airbnbs are more of like the leisure travelers, the backpackers. So it does not affect because the industry for Airbnb, you have that market, you still have that market because a lot are traveling. For international chains, they have their own because they are supported by company accommodation like that. So they have their own market segments. So they will not be affected. Competitors, they are not considered competitors.
Sa usapin ng staycation, highlighted ang hotels dahil sa kanilang amenities gaya ng swimming pool, gym, in-house restaurants at curated customer service na nagbibigay ng mas kompletong relaxation experience. Sa huli, binigyang diin ni Nabong na hindi ito usapin ng competition kundi pagpili sa tamang option base sa pangangailangan at budget ng traveler. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.